What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at the Citadel. Haven't been here in a couple weeks, so I figure I'd check it out. Let's go see what's up. 10:04, so I am a few minutes late. You know, but let's see. If they got a heat card, I don't know. Let's see. Any store-wide deals? No store-wide deals. No store-wide deals. I think you get what, 20% off the heat wall, 30% off the heat wall. Then they do got a little something here. They do got a little heat wall. I'm just gonna check. Not trying to buy nothing, but a bunch of Court Purple 13s, some Stealth 1s, Citrus 8s, a few pair of Dunks. Okay, I don't think you get any discounts off of these though, but pretty dope to see some heat. Got some Pine Green 3s, grade school. All right, they are giving us 30% off the heat wall, and 6 minutes late. That is an eternity here. As you can see, hella crowded already. Everybody's looking for their pairs or resale, whatever. It looks like we're back to seeing some fantastic deals. This starting from the smaller sizes. This is size 7, $150 for Jordan 36s. Obviously, we know 37s are gonna come out soon. Holy crap, got a bunch of those. Did that just leave the aisles? I haven't been here in a few weeks. Things do change. Size 7.5. Got the big bangs going for $150. Remember, you do get 30 off, so that goes down to $100. Holy crap. $100 for these too, wow. No, just saw these. The Jordan Trunners. I've not seen these ever. I'm already seeing them at the outlets. Someone returned them. You can take the inside off. So you can wear it like this, kind of like some clogs or Crocs or whatever. And then, does it come with insoles too? Yeah, it does. Jordan System 23s. So it comes with that. And then you can, I guess, wear this as a water shoe or something. I don't know, but you could throw that back in. Saw Jordan Brad talking about these, but never have seen these. $110 for these. Okay. Zion, size 8, going for $120. Air Force Unos, size 7.5, going for $110. Kind of the mediocre leather, does have the gum outsole. Air Max 95, we've seen these for hella cheap. Yeah, $110. You get 20%, 30% off, so that's, damn, that goes down under $80. Got a gazillion of these. The Flytrap 4s go for $80. Tons of those. Air Max 90s. Are these the infrareds? I've seen these in a while. It's Nike by you, it looks like. $140 for these. That 40% off, or that 30% off makes such a big difference. Size 6.5. Well, I don't know why this is here. But the Jordan Mod 2s go for $100. Size 11s, $125 for the Air Max 95s right here. Wow. Why not 0.5? It's going for $130. Those ain't no why not 0.5. What the hell? I got juke. Blazer Low Jumbos going for $100. 9.5. Man, these sizes are just everywhere. 10.5. Got the Witness 5s go for $70. Air Max 270s go for $110. Jordan Hydro 6 slides going for $30. So these are what, $32? Not too shabby. These are the gray ones. I do have the black ones at home. They're not the best looking, but they are comfy as hell. We're getting pretty close to how it was in the pandemic, or before the pandemic. $170 for these LeBrons. We've seen these cheaper, I want to say. KD 15s. These ain't even been out that long. $130. Oh my goodness, that's under $100 for those. Air Max 97s retail. Dang, dude. Dang, that's crazy. More 270s right here. These are size 8 though. Pretty cool colorway. $170. That's a size 8 though. Another one, different color, different size 11. $110 for that one. Okay. And then Jordan 1s right next to it. $190 now? Holy guacamole. Have I even seen these in person? Is that like a parachute in the back? If you run like too fast, like the parachute comes out or something. I don't think I've ever seen these. Mixture of canvas and more canvas. And then got multiple pockets on it. Yeah, these are definitely, 3 pockets. These definitely not my cup of tea. But yeah, $190. I guess you get 30 off. You know it's bad when When people aren't jumping on them like that, even at 30% off. More of these, 125 for those. 11 and a half right here. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for 190. This is the second version. Air Max 2090s go for $90. This is a size 14 though. Size 13, what the hell is this? Oh man, all right, we're putting that back. More fly traps going for $55. This is size 13. More 2090s go for 90. These LeBrons go for size, this is a size 9.5. What the hell is this doing over here? And this go for 170, way too much. Size what, 14s? And 150 for these? Not bad. 105 for the Alpha Flies, not bad. So you got the PBR, the Pegasus 38, size 14, go for $50. Holy crap. And then size 15, got plenty of size 15s, $85 for the LeBrons. An extra 30 off on top of that. Alpha Fly is still going for $150. Jordan Liftoffs, anybody looking at these? $80 for these. Jordan Access, $68. And that's pretty much about it. Let's go check out the house. All right, the Jordan section not looking special or nothing. Those were the Jordan Air 200s. Jordan Westbrook Take 1s, his budget line. Jordan Access, another one of those. Air Cadence, stuff that I ain't even heard of. Max Auras right here. Witness 5s. Some LeBron Soldier 14s. Trey 5.9s. More of these 14s right here, the Soldiers. See, this is what I'm talking about, LeBron 19s. We've been seeing them for hella cheap. I think they're gonna go even further. Immortalities. Budget line of the Giannis Flytrap 4s. The Kyrie Flytrap 4s, that is. More of the KD Trey 5s. This is the 9th gen. Got a few of these. Last colorway right here. Got the Alley-Oops right here. Air Max Plus the Terra Escape. 2090s. Another one of those. Last one. All white. The Air Max 95 Essential. Pretty decent price. A little discount. Air Max Genome. Crater Impacts. Air Max 2090. Metcon 6s for those of you fools that like to work out. That's a pretty good price, dude. Pretty good price. The 7s did change quite a lot though. Monarchs, this is the 4E, which is the wide version. Infinity Run Flying 2s. Usually got a bunch of these colorways. All white, if you like to get dirty. Like a Volt black colorway. Then we get into the Pegasus 37s. Price going down and down. Pegasus 39s in here already. I don't think I've even seen the Pegasus 39s, and they're already at the outlets. Does have, oh man, that upper feels like hella cheap. I'm not a fan of that upper right there. But yeah, it does have full length React and also has Zoom Air up front. Got some Phantom React Flyknits with no laces. This is the first generation. This is the second gen right here. Like more, I don't know, it looks like it's like more elasticy up top. Another colorway of those. Zoom Terra Kiker 7s. Feel like these have been here forever. Trail 2s. Pegasus Trail 2s, that is. And then I think that's it, man. I think that's it. Super generic section right here. 23 minutes into the store opening. Huge line already. All right, let's go check out the apparel. They got 40% off clearance apparel here. Let's go see what they got. Damn, bunch of people here. Nike yoga shorts going for $40. Normally $55. Some Nike golf shorts right here going for $45. Normally $68. 40% off, man. Got a ton of sweats. These are going for $25. 25. Is that Jordan signature right there? $25. Normally $60. Damn, if you go to, like, damn, dude. Sweats are the business right now if you need some sweats. $25, 40% off. Holy crap. Even got the flight sweats right here. This is a size medium. $54 for those. Remember, 40 off. I think I have the sweatshirt for that one. Got some shorts, some flowers on it. $25 and you get 40 off. These are all mediums, double XL right here. I think we're pretty close to being back to how it was 3-4 years ago. Got a women's Charger shirt for $10. I don't know why this is in the men's section, but 40% off, so it's $6 for women's large. Damn. We got yoga mats, $30, normally $120. Does have that red tag. Does that mean it's 97, which means it's on clearance? So is that 40% off of that? Y'all need yoga mats? This is the recycled one, hella cheap. And yeah, they still got their line. But yeah, let's go check out. I'm gonna go check out one more shop. Kind of on a tight schedule today, so I don't have time to stop by too many spots. I kind of want to stop by New Balance and a few other spots, but I don't have the time. But gotta check out Reebok, man. Gotta check out Reebok. They've been coming out with some dope stuff. I don't know if it's at the outlets, but they've been coming out with some dope stuff. Do gotta take a quick peek. That's what I don't like to see. This is one of the newest colorways, but still, man, come on now, give us a discount, baby. Dude got these bad boys, these Iversons, not a part of the promotion because it is 50% off pretty much everything. These were $100 even before, so now they're down to 65. Solid deal. 7.5 all the way to what, size 11? Oh no, it goes up to size 14. That's what's up. Insta Pump Furies. These are not my thing. These are. They had a deal, but the good old excluded from promotion. I do like these. You can't really blame them because it doesn't look like their inventory is that high, and it does look like it's been selling even at regular price. So that's kind of how business works, you guys. Solution mids, barely got any size left, just smaller sizes, and then only got huge sizes in these. So yeah, these they're here. And then we got the original Shack Attack colorway of these. The colorway is exactly the same as the Shack Attacks. Check that, man. Y'all teasing us. And I got these Looney Tunes versions of these. These are Nano X1s. Like, who is that marketed towards? Was that kids? Grown-ups? Like, I don't understand some of the marketing ideas. I just don't understand who that's marketed towards. Kids, grown-ups, I don't know. Got a bunch of these Nano 1X though. They're workout gear or workout sneakers. Checking out the clearance section. Haven't really seen much here. This is a 9.5. These are going for what, 75, so it's at $37.50. We've seen them go for 40 at the retail shop, so not even a huge discount. Omni Zone. Ooh, look at that, 110. Holy crap, that is cheap. 50, what is that, 55 bucks? That is hella cheap. 55, that's the cheapest I've ever seen. Wow, that's actually hella fire. That's crazy. That probably would fit, but I've bought so many sneakers this past week. It has just been ridiculous. Told y'all gotta be nosy. There's some Answer 4s up here. We're going for 130. See what we're talking about. Oh, okay, so 130. That means 65 bucks. 65 bucks. I've been told that some of the Answers, they do go a little tight. But yeah, 65 bucks. 65 bucks, not bad. They got a few sizes, size 13, a couple sizes, size 13, size 11. And then these big old Flintstone shoes. Big box for nothing. What the hell? What the hell? That's pretty much about it, y'all. Let's go. We're done. Dang, I didn't notice the leather on this one is way better than my Omnis at home. This is also better than the Shack Attack, the leather list. Look at this. Nice little tumbled leather. What the hell? Damn. I still can't get them, man, you guys. Only $55, but damn, I can't get them. I need to go to Vegas next week. I already bought 4 pair of sneakers within the last, week and a half. Just can't do it. And the way things are looking, looks like there's going to be way better deals way better deals than we've seen the last couple of years. So I have a feeling, man, we're going to be seeing all kinds of deals in the next year. Watch, we'll see. All right, I'm headed out, but look at this. Adidas is closed. Adidas out at the Citadel closed. I guess they're reopening. They're doing some remodeling. Okay. All right, guys, that was Nike outlets. That was Nike Outlet Citadel, as well as the Reebok outlets. The Nike outlets, they've been super inconsistent. Some have a heat wall. Some will give you discount off the heat wall. Some won't give you a discount off the heat wall. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even ask if there was a discount on the heat cart they had there. I'm gonna be honest, I probably should have asked, but I didn't even think about it. They might have had a discount, but I doubt it. But you know, it's worth asking. I probably should have that information for y'all. My bad, you guys. But I did hit up other Nike outlets as well, and a lot of them, they just put the Jordan Retros right on the the hash wall or the clearance the clearance section, and they're offering 30% on a lot of that stuff. So definitely worth hitting up the Nike outlets for sure. Because getting retros for 30% off, man, that's what's up. That's what's up. If you guys follow my Instagram, I did post on Instagram some of the, or at least one of the other spots that I did stop by and whatnot. I did post the Reebok stuff. Man, those Omnis, I think that was like the Power Ranger Omnis for $55. That was just insane. I'm gonna be honest, if it was any other month, I probably would have grabbed those because just hella cheap, and the 10 was my size. I do fit 10.5, but I could fit a 10. But yeah, I coulda, woulda, shoulda, but I just got way too much stuff going. I think I talked about it in the video. I gotta go to Vegas next weekend, so really shouldn't be spending money like that on sneakers. And yeah, man, I think I bought four pairs the last 2 weeks too. A week and a half actually. Just way too much. I'm gonna talk about some of that stuff. I've talked about some of it. I've showed y'all some of it. I haven't showed everything. So you know, I ordered the Kobe ones. I talked about it in my last video. Did order the Kobe ones, aka the crazy ones, the Adidas crazy ones. I ordered those, so I should have that coming. I should order one for friends. I actually have 2 of those coming, and then I ordered. Got the Towlees. I don't know if I showed that. I did talk about it. The Adidas Towlees, the Towlee Superstars from South Park. Ordered those. I got a review coming out hopefully soon enough for those. And then I also grabbed the Shack Attacks. I grabbed the 4s. Man, I've gotten tons of stuff. I got grabbed from A6. I need to show you guys those. But tons and tons of stuff. Just got way too much. Like I said, y'all shouldn't be going into debt, buying sneakers. I shouldn't be doing that either, so I didn't want to put too much stuff on my credit card. So it is what it is. But crazy deals out there. I think it's gonna get better. I think you know, the economy, I think it's gonna get worse and worse just because I don't know. I don't think we've fully felt it, but I think it's, you know, inflation keeps going up, price of everything keeps going up. I don't think people are gonna be able to keep up because things are just wild. So that might help in the sneaker world. It might not help the rest of our lives, you know, economy-wise stuff. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, please don't go into debt over sneakers. I love sneakers. Y'all see me buy multiple pairs. Like I said, I bought 4 or 5 pairs this couple weeks alone. But I'm trying not to put stuff on credit card. So hopefully you guys can do the same. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much it means to me for you guys to support the channel, watch my videos to the end. Really means a ton. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. Hopefully I can get you guys 2 videos a day on some of the days this week. I don't know exactly when I can make the other videos, but we'll work on that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you help me away. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming as usual. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.